This is the Art Integrated Project Science for the year 2020-21 done by 10C of Shivagiri Sri Narayana Senior Secondary School. As water levels are decreasing at an alarming rate, conservation laid its way. So, the topic assigned for the project was conservation of water. At first, we were divided into 5 groups with a leader. We tried our best to integrate Kerala and Himachal Pradesh as defined under the Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program. Water is a vital component of the biosphere and a bore for all living system of the earth. It is closely related to biotic population, demand for food, production of energy and improvement in the quality of life. Today, almost all spheres of human activities use more water than what is actually needed. Due to carelessness, much of the water is wasted and allowed to flow out in an impure state. At many places, clean water is not available. Kerala and Himachal Pradesh are well known for their abundant natural resources, especially water. Kerala have 44 rivers, 27 backwaters, 7 lagoons and many more. Himachal Pradesh have 5 major rivers, 8 backwaters and many ponds. So it is our responsibility to conserve these vital component of the biosphere.
Group number 1, Slogans and Cartoons. Members of this group are Lakshmi Madhu, leader, Anamika Nair, Tamanna Manush, S. Uma Maheshwari, Nidhi S. Lal. Save your life. Save water tomorrow. It may save you. Make every count. A drop of water, it worth more than a shake to a thirsty man. Even a drop can bring life. Save water. Drip, drop, drip, drop. This kind of cloak must be stopped. Save water today or tomorrow you will pay.
The following is a pie chart presentation on the reduction of groundwater levels in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh during the past 5 years. Groundwater depletion is defined as the long-term water level decline caused by sustained groundwater pumping. Groundwater is something that we need all over the world. Humans and animals need water in order to survive. Groundwater depletion most commonly occurs because of the frequent pumping of water from the ground. We continuously pump groundwater from aquifers without giving it enough time to replenish itself. We destroy forests, groves and laterite hills which cause rainwater discharge without percolation into the plateau. Availability of groundwater is steadily declining. Without it, it will be extremely difficult to provide water for livelihood, and we will soon be faced with the issue of great demand and very little supply.
This work is based on history of conservation of water on the basis of our art integrated project.
First, our page is regarding with the traditional methods of water conservation which is practiced in Kerala. Some mentioned here are Surangam, Panamkeni, and Jalara.
Next, it is regarding with the modern methods of water conservation practiced in Kerala. Some of them mentioned here are cycle run water pumps, joy pumps, Feroz cemented tank, bamboo drip irrigation system, rainwater harvesting and rainwater spring.
Next, it is regarding about the traditional methods of water conservation which is practiced in Himachal Pradesh. Mentioned here are Hul, Khatri, Hul.
Next, it is mentioned about the modern methods of water conservation practiced in Himachal Pradesh. India and Himachal Pradesh have the same modern methods of water conservation. Some mentioned here are Feroz cement tank and rooftop rainwater harvesting system.
The slope from the land. The rainwater flows down the slope and stopped by the bund. To form a reservoir, the excess water flows down the shallow. shallow duct wells. The rainwater collects in the reservoir, seeps into the ground. This helps to recharge the groundwater.
Good morning to everyone. Today, as a part of our science integrated project, we have created a presentation about the importance of conservation of water and its solution. First of all, I would introduce our group members which make this presentation a successful. It is led by our group leader Ashisham Taha, and the other members who take an important role in this project are Hambras, Kiran, Mithun, Asif and Devadans. So I am going to the topic water conservation. Before starting it, we should know that what is water conservation and why it is important to conserve water on our Mother Earth. Our Mother Earth has gifted many precious and valuable resources, and water is one of it. We know that we cannot live without water, or life in the world without water is impossible. Water conservation is very important because among 97% of the earth ocean water which is salty and cannot use for our daily purposes, and only 3% of it is fresh water and is limited resource. So water conservation is the preservation, control and development of the resources, both surfaces and groundwater, and preventing it from pollution. The main important factors that we are discussing in this project to conserve water is to prepare for the future drought, to guard against rising cost and potential conflict, to make available for recreational purposes, to preserve the environment, and to strengthen communities. In our project, the main topics for conservation of water is the conservation of water in schools. In schools, we use a tremendous amount of water every day and require water for restrooms, drinking, canteen, labs, gardening, and for cleaning. It is important to know that how we waste water in school. So the reasons are 1. No proper rainwater harvesting system. Second one, using too much water for watering plants in garden. Third one, ignoring small leakages. Fourth one, overflowing of water from, and last one, leaving taps and pipes open even after use. By correcting these small mistakes, we can conserve water in schools. As a student, we are very responsible to these activities. So, we should take hand in hand and to make this successful. First, we want to form groups and share ideas. This will help in participating all the members and cooperators for clearing every drop of water in the school. Second one, switching off drinking water supply in case of overflow. Third one, don't use lot of water while going to the restroom or washroom. Fourth one, careful using tap water while washing. These are the ways in which we waste our important factor in our life. And as a teacher are very important to train and make awareness to the students about the conservation of water. And the following procedure will make it possible. First one is arrange club meetings to encourage students. This will help in making all the members participate in. Second one is Inform proper authorities in case you see breaks or overflow. Third one is spread awareness among staffs and other teachers. Last one is request the school management to implement rainwater harvesting system in schools. These methods and ideas are for students and teachers on how to save water at school and will make solution in small or large environmental challenge that shape our world. So come together to save water as well as our world. Next important topic which deals with the conservation of water is the conservation of water in our homes. In our homes, home is the place where we waste water more than in any other place because of our careless treatment on it. So the following ways are the reason for wastage of water in home. First one is leaky pipes. For every second, thousands of liters of water are wasted by leaky pipes. Second one is laundry loads that are only half filled. Third one, running a dishwasher that is not completely filled. Fourth one, taking long baths and shower. So, for solving these problems, the following techniques will help us to care of water in home. First one is repair leaky pipes and taps. Second one is do all laundry at one go, avoid frequent washes. Third one is wash dishes by hand and don't leave the water running for rinsing. Fourth one is install water shaving shower head or flow restrictor. Fifth one, collect rainwater for use in the lawn and garden. These ways will help us to save water as much as we can. After seeing the current state of available water on the planet, every single drop of water is important and need to be saved. So without being together, we cannot do anything. So same, we are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided. So let's hold hands together, promise ourselves, and save Mother Earth. Thank you.
Conserving water is important because it keeps water pure and clean while protecting the environment. Conserving water means using water supply wisely and be responsible. As every individual depend on water for livelihood, we must learn how to keep our limited supply of water pure and away from pollution. Conservation includes both protection and rational use of water. Climate changes has started ringing alarm bells in Himachal Pradesh as not only rain and snow pattern has been affected, but now groundwater level too has decreased significantly. Himachal Pradesh is aiming to tap rainwater and use it optimally in agriculture and its allied activities. For this, water conservation projects are prepared in the state. The people of Kerala are dominantly dependent on underground water. Arrangements will be done for distillation and to expunge impurities from ponds and to recharge the water table through rainwater harvesting.